Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Sarah.
And I am Tom. Hello, everyone.
Tom, how are you today?
I am good, Sarah. A little confused.
Confused? Why Tom?
I was thinking in English this morning, but the words were very slow, like a old computer.
Haha, a slow computer brain.
Very slow. Needs an update. Hey!
Well Tom, today is your lucky day.
Oh, what is today's topic, Sarah?
Today we are talking about how to train your brain. Train your brain to think in English.
Train my brain? Like exercise? Like push-ups?
Haha. Not exactly Tom, but yes, exercise for your brain.
My brain needs a gym. Heh.
It does, and today I will show you how. It sounds hard, but it is very easy.
Okay, I trust you, Sarah.
Before we start, quick request. If you enjoy our podcast, please like and subscribe. Share with one friend learning English. Thank you so much, everyone.
Yes, thank you. Okay, Sarah, let's go.
Okay, tip number 1. Think in small sentences.
Small sentences.
Yes, very small, very simple. Right now, what are you doing, Tom?
I am sitting. I am drinking coffee.
Perfect. That is thinking in English. Small sentence, easy words.
Oh, so I just say what I see?
Exactly. Look around right now. Say what you see in English.
I see a table. I see my coffee. My coffee is beautiful.
Haha. Perfect, Tom.
My coffee deserves a compliment.
Tip number 2. Listen every day.
Listen. Okay, listen to what?
Listen to English every day. Podcasts, songs, movies, like this podcast right now.
Oh, I am already doing tip 2.
Yes, you are. Our listeners too. Everyone listening right now, you are training your brain.
We are all in the brain gym together.
Haha. Exactly. The brain gym. The more you listen, the more English feels normal. Like music you hear every day. Soon you know all the words.
Like my favorite song. I heard it many times. Now I know every word.
Perfect example, Tom. Exactly like that.
So English is just my new favorite song.
Yes, play it every day.
I will add English to my playlist. Hey.
Tip number 3. Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? People will think I am crazy.
Haha, maybe. But your English will be amazing.
Okay, good trade. Hey.
Talk to yourself in English. In the kitchen, on the bus, in the shower.
In the shower?
Yes, no one is listening. No pressure, no mistakes. Just you and English.
My shower is my English classroom now.
Haha, the best classroom. Free, every day.
And very clean. Hey.
Now listeners, your turn. Repeat after us, okay? I think in English.
I think in English.
I listen every day.
I listen every day.
I talk to myself.
I talk to myself in the shower.
Haha, good. Say it again, everyone. Practice makes comfortable.
Okay, review time. Tip 1, think in small sentences. Tip 2, listen every day. Tip 3, talk to yourself, even in the shower.
Perfect, Tom. You remembered everything.
My brain gym is working, Sarah.
Haha, it is. Now listeners, we have one question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments below.
Do you talk to yourself in English?
Or do you talk to yourself in your language like me?
Tell us below. We love your comments.
We really do.
That is all for today, everyone. Thank you so much for listening.
You are amazing. Keep going.
Remember,
Comfortable English.
not perfect English.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye. Keep practicing.
One small sentence at a time.